Run me down like water through my condition shampoo. Me spread them legs faster than bad news. Me no pose with me cocky, me weapon use. Raw in a belly, me no bad juice. Turn your girl in a porn star with the pan blows. One alone she get no second use. Pull a piece out with the pandos. First off in the winner so second nose. Pick and choose. Girl you can't style her, never. Never. You don't know you can't style her, never. Never. Styler, man a styler. Styler can't styler. Styler, man a styler.
I want to, man.
Styler can't styler.
I fit full of clothes every day, so me don't need a stylist. Hunter them a chat shit, style it. If you see me pan the jet, private, big fat Benz, pull up, dog a mind is. When me call a fuck time, pussy have to run, she know the first time. Super star, she must shine. So
what you buy?
Who that was?
Satan. Talking about some let me back in heaven. Let me back in heaven. I said, I'm not fooling with you. I'm not. Like, who you think I am?
God, that's... You won't. You won't. You, God. Do it again. Do it again. I did. God. You is correct.
After all, that them just a wait on a car for rifling up on a wall. Pull up in a unmarked yard. Boy spread out like saying damn yeah. They the road like that. Yeah, we are go on.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body.
I walk in class, Miss Green, my teacher, she starts speaking to everybody. Hello, good morning, hello, good morning. She see me, she was like, Kevin. I said, Miss Green. She said, did you let your mother read the note? I said, yes, I did. She said, well, what did your mother say? I took a deep breath. I looked at my friends. I was like, it's about to go down. I said, well, my mom told me to tell you to mind your damn mother business. Little stupid little dumb teacher 2 + 2 not knowing what the is, bitch. Cross-eyed, crying down your back, fat ass. Long titty, no nipple having. My friend was in the background. He was like,
when you a say to me party, me have to move anytime the money call me. Move, top long yellow Maserati. Cop a few of them before me 40. Oh, she gonna make another one drop. Anytime we chat is another contract. Benz on the wharf and the beam are just clear. My friend them a short is about that one that. Yeah, spliffing them out tonight. Both we have gone in the house, you're right. Money nothing on me account tonight. So shh, don't you right. Oh. Bamba my shake in a shot. Champagne glass for the boss. The outfit are nasty in a ass. Me get the pussy and me naughty.
Hold on. Not a strong thing this way, me lift up the 2 box I beer them the other day. Yeah, man. Something like them strong. You know?
You can't handle this, you know. It will hurt you.
But them say, no pain, no gain.
Hey, boy, I'm taking off from me now. What you do?
Yo, seems like you don't know your place. Where you come from? What the Ras you got about it, eh? Yeah, right. This will teach you nothing fuck. Shit. Walk and live. Talk and bumbuckler dead.
That one I look like a bad one. Oh, that's something that's so fat where you feed it. Me gonna need it, come and make me feel it. Not even Victoria can hold your secret. Try my best not to breathe it. Your face nice and your body look bright. If you ever make me try it, would I touch it every night? Jesus Christ, it a bust out of your tights. Girl, the way this it, the party couldn't hide. Lord, I me say, boy, tell you something so fat. I want to send something up in that. I me say, boy, tell you something so fat. Me nah use condom in that. I me say, boy, tell you something so fat. Me want to send something up in that. I me say, boy, tell you something so fat.
Let me out of your vehicle. And that me say dog shit. Can you must think me a idiot? Let me out of your vehicle. Me not like a carry on. Let me out your vehicle. Me say let me out of your vehicle. Dog shit go on, come out. Dog shit, let me out of your vehicle. And that me say dog shit. Can you must think me a idiot? Let me out of your vehicle. Me not like a carry on.
Myself, I put my best friend in my life. Now, I don't think that's a bad thing to do. Let me explain why. If you're my best friend, I shouldn't have to ask you to lie for me. I shouldn't have to ask for your permission for me to put you in my life. You know why? Because you're my best fucking friend, bitch.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on.
Stop now, come. Put him up on that, Joe.
Chilling with the crocs.
Oh, dear.
Crocodile them apart. Africa with them. You know the thing go.
Oh, my God. See all them brave? They must have alligator. Crocs them out, you know?
TC, we have a dog.